Dante AVIO Install adapters convert analog audio to and from Dante, making it easy to integrate analog equipment into networked AV systems. The new 4-channel input, output, and bidirectional 2-channel in, 2-channel out models also support daisy chaining, so multiple units can share a single network drop. Start by connecting your PoE switch to the port labeled in on the first adapter. That unit receives network and power and passes both along to the rest of the chain. From there, use the second port labeled through to connect to the next adapter's in port and continue the chain for up to 4 total adapters. These adapters can also connect to and power the 2-channel AVIO Install models, which have a single network port. Each adapter shows up independently in Dante Controller with full routing and configuration control. By supporting daisy chaining, Dante AVIO Install adapters reduce switch port usage, simplify cabling, and help manage overall infrastructure costs when converting analog to Dante.